So now I am going to solve the PowerPoint homework which was given by your teacher. So you will find it in the module course. This is the PowerPoint file which we need to format. The instructions for formatting it is given with the PDF file. So we need to follow these instructions for formatting this PowerPoint slide. So I want to divide my screen into two parts. So I press Windows button and left arrow button, then I select the PDF folder. So the first thing we have to do, open the file HSWT.pptx. I have already opened it and save it with the name cv.pptx. So for saving some files, I go to the file tab, then I select save as. I browse for opening the destination. I would like to save it in my desktop, and I select cv.pptx. Okay, now it is saved. So the first thing we have to do is to change the font size to 50 and bold for all slides. So I have to change the font size of all the pages to 50. So it is not smart to select everyone and make it font size 50. It is not an efficient way to do it. So there is a very efficient and easy way for doing it. We can use the master slide. So whenever we need to design or style something, we can use master slide. I will go to the view tab, and here and under the master views I will find the slide master. So this is the slide master view. So this is my master slide. If I make any changes in this slide, the change will affect all the slides. So here the instruction is make the font size 50 and bold for all slides. So I select the text and make it 50, and now it will affect all the titles of all the slides, and it is already bold. So this is done. So the next thing is insert the picture background.jpg as background to all slide. So again, for all slides we have to edit in the master slide. I right click on the master slide, then go to the format background, then the right pane will be open, and I have to insert a picture. So there is option for picture or text or fill. I select it, and from here I press enter from a file, and I go to my folder where what I have downloaded. Here I will find the background. If I insert it, the background for all the pages will be changed. Then insert the image logo.jpg and reduce the text fill size. So I can close the format background tab. For inserting pictures, I obviously go to the insert tab, image, picture on this device. I will select the logo according to the instruction. I select it, and it is to be placed on the top right hand corner so that it appears on the all side. So I take it to the top right hand corner. So now you can see that it is appear in all the slides. So again, when whatever change I do in my master slides, it will affect all the slides. Next, and and reduce the text field size. So you can see the text field size, it is covering the logo, so we don't want our text to cover our logo, so I will reduce the text field size. So when I select on the text, I have to select the boundary. So you can see that the arrow button, when you take your mouse cursor on the boundary, the arrow button will appear, then you can select the text box. So I select it with the left button of the mouse, then I can make changes to the text box. I can make it larger and smaller. So I think this is okay. At this size, it is not covering the logo. So, but hide the background graphic on the layout title slide. So I have to find my title slide. So when you take your mouse cursor to slide, you will find the name of the slides, like this is the title slide, this is the title and content layout, this is the to content layout, this is the title only layout. So I have to select the title slide, and I have to hide the background graphic. After selecting the title slide, I again can select the right click on it. I can find the format background, and I can hide the background graphics. So I can show it again. So there are two logo here. One logo is in the background, and one logo was there previously with the picture on the slide. So when I hide the background, the background is hidden and the logo is vanished. So now it looks good. Then reduce the text field of the title so that it does not overlap with the logo. I have already done it. Then add a placeholder for an image to a new layout. So I need to add a new layout and add a placeholder to it. So for adding a new layout, I click at the bottom of the all of the slides, not on any slides but at the bottom. Then I go to insert layout. Sorry, not insert layout. Yes, sorry, I have to go to the bottom, then insert layout, and remove all the placeholders. So these are the placeholders. Placeholders means we can put something inside it, like this is the text placeholder, we can place any text inside it. So there are different kinds of text holders, like text holders for content text, placeholder for picture, placeholder for smart art. We will going to it slowly. So first we need to delete all the placeholders as it was said. So delete it. I also select it and delete it. So remember, always for selecting a placeholder, I have to select on the boundary when the arrow button appears with the mouse. Now insert a placeholder for an image over the entire slide in the last layout. So this is my last layout. So now I will insert a placeholder. Here you will find a insert placeholder. Then I select a picture placeholder, and it should be on the entire slide. So I take my mouse cursor on the top left corner, click on the mouse, and I select the entire slide. So it is done. So now you can see the insert picture option. So this is the so this is the placeholder for a picture, and it is for the entire slide. So the next work is insert. So I selected picture. The picture is the right one, so I selected it. Now insert this layout as the last slide in the PowerPoint presentation. So for inserting the new layout, I have to close the slide master, because with the slide master I can only design a layout, I cannot insert any content. So as the last slide, I have to select the I had to insert the newly created layout. So I select at the bottom again, at the last of the slide, not in any slide, at the bottom of the slide, where I have to select a new slide. So here under the home tab I will find the slides option, and here new slide options, and I have to insert the recently created layout. So this should always be the custom layout. This is the one I had just created. So I press on it and it is inserted. So now I can insert a picture here from device. So it is said that then insert the picture treesdrop.jpg into the placeholder on this last slide. So insert picture from device treesdrop, it is inserted. So the next thing I have to do, remove the placeholder for the footer on the to content layout. So for doing that, I again need to go to the slide master. So view, slide master, I have to find the to content layout. Yes, this one is the to content layout. I select it, and placeholder for the footer. So this is the placeholder for footer. I have to remove it. I select it and remove it with the delete button. Now insert a footer to the presentation, but only the page numbers and current date. So for inserting the page number and current date, I go to my master slide, go to the insert option. Here I will find the header and footer option. So it was said that I have to insert the date and the slide number. So I apply it to the all. So now I can see the page number and date is inserted. If I close the slide, then I can see the page number is here and date is also here. So now write the title, writing your professional CV equal to resume on the first slide. So again, I am going to write something. Before writing something, you must close the slide master, because slide master is only for designing, not for inserting text or image. Whenever you want to put some content in your slide, you must close the slide master first. So I select it and copy it. I go to the first slide and insert the title. So this is my first slide and I will insert the title here. So till now this is okay. Now I am going to insert a smart art. So before that, just said that hide the slide 5. So this is the slide 5. I right click on the slide and hide the slide. Then insert after that a new slide with the layout name, title and content. So I select in the middle of here because it was said that insert after that means after slide 5. I selected here and I go to the slides, I go to the new slide and I will select title and content slide. So this is the title and content I selected. Yeah, type title, resume sections. So this is the title I have to write here. So I copy it and I pasted it here as the title. Add a note to it by copying the text from the document section.txt. So there is a txt file named section and I can copy it and write it as a note of the slide 6. So how can I put a note? So here you can find a note option. If I select it here, I can write a note here. I can also when I take my mouse cursor on the line, I can find the arrow and I can pull it up by clicking the left button of my mouse. Then I can paste the text with Ctrl V. So the note is added here. So insert to this slide a smart art using the placeholder content. So I can find some placeholder here, like this is the placeholder for pictures, this is the placeholder for smart art graph, insert cameo, insert video, insert table and insert chart. So here I have to insert smart art, so I can use the placeholder is smart art and I will find all the options for my smart art. And here it is instructed that insert a smart art called vertical block list. So from list I can find the vertical block list. So let's find it. Where is the vertical block list? So this is the vertical block list. Whenever you take your mouse cursor to an option, you will see the name here. So it is a little bit difficult for finding one. So this is the vertical block list which I am supposed to insert according to the instruction, and select it and press OK. Okay, so now how can I press text inside the smart art? This is not wise to select here and insert page here. This is an easy way for doing it. So I can go to the smart art design and here you can see the text pen option. When you insert the text pen, you will find this little text pen here, and it is always smarter to do things inside the text pen. So sorry. So what do we put inside our smarter. Fill in the content and format it as following. So this is the format. I have to format it like this. Fill it with the content and format it as following. You can copy some of the text from section.txt, format both of the same. So it was said that I can see it from my section tab. So I selected it, copied it, then I go to my text pen, I pasted it here. So it should be like this: contact information, and these things is not here, so I can delete it. Then resume summary. So one thing here, when I take my mouse cursor in some places and I press enter, the text will go to the lower level, and when I press my mouse cursor in some place and press tab button, the text will go under this tab, under this level. But I don't know why it is happening like this. Yeah, now it is okay. So delete this. Sorry, this is making some problem here. So education, I want the list of education. This I want this text. Okay, the resume, objectives, and the summary, this should be on the left side. So how can we do that? I can select shift and press tab. So I have messed the things up a little bit, so let's start it from the beginning. So I copied the text from here and I pressed this inside the text pen. So this contact information, this should be on the left side and this should be on the right side. So how can I do that? I can take my mouse cursor here and press the tab button. First I need to press the enter button. So you can see that this goes to, and this create another level. So but if I press a tab button, it will go under the first tab and it will become the right side. So I can delete this point, this is not necessary. Again, I can also do it for the resume. The resume, objective, or summary, it will be on the left side and these things should be on the right side. So I select here and press enter and again tab, so this will go to the left side. And also the professional experience, this should be on the left side and these things on the right side. So I press enter and tab. Same things for the education, enter and tab. Same things for the skills, enter, tab. So now till now it looks good, but if I want to do it like this, now I can do it easily. So under contact information, this was not written anything, so I can delete this thing. Under resume summary, so after skills, this thing I can delete and press some point. So under professional experience, so list your word experience, and these things goes to a new level. So I enter and take it to the another line, and I can press enter. So a new level is already created here. For education, the same, listed education background, this in another level, and this is in the second level in reverse chronological order. So I press enter and press tab button. In the skills, nothing is here, so I can delete it. So yeah, now it looks like looks almost like the given picture. So here is say that format both of the second level bullet point as green. So this two is the second level, so I need to format it as a green. So how can I do that? I select it, press Ctrl and I select it both with the press Ctrl. Then I go to my home tab. Here I press the right arrow button and go to the bullet and numbering. Here I can select the square button, and from the color I can press it the green. So now it is like the green. So now it looks completely like the given instruction. So now I need to add animation and effect option. I should press the level at once. So I go to the animation tab. Here I will, when I select the smarter, I can add animation style. From animation style I can select fly in because it was given in the instruction page. So but the effect option should be level at once. So I can go to the effect option, select level at once, and there is a problem here. Sometimes the tab doesn't work. In this case we have to save the page, we have to save the file, then close it, then again reopen it. Now if I go to the smart art, I press here, I go to animation, select effect options and select level at once. Now it will work. So this is the everything which was stated in the homework I have tried to show you. Thanks.